Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to install an amazing and totally free adult application to your Firestick or Android TV. The whole process is super easy and will take you only a couple of minutes. Now, without any further ado, let's proceed. So first of all, you have to get an app called Downloader. You can get it for free from the official Amazon App Store or Google Play Store, depending on your device of course. Just go to search on your device and start typing Downloader right here in the search bar. Usually there's even no need to enter the whole name of the app because as you can see, the loader has already popped out for us at the bottom. So we click on the loader and that's the app which you need to get to your device. However, after you get the loader, it's not over yet. We still have to set up. To set up the loader, we'll go to settings. Here they are, click on that button with the gear icon, then scroll down and go to My Fire TV. Open it. Here we'll have to enable developer options on your device. However, on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new ones, the developer options can be hidden by default. So if that's the case, do not worry, it's really easy to make them appear. To make developer options appear, all you have to do is go to About, open it, select Fire TV Stick, and now we have to click on the middle button on your remote for 7 times, and do it fast, so let's do it. As you can see, now the bottom for me it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. In your case it's going to say that you have become a developer now. And if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options, which have appeared right here. So we open them, make sure to enable ADB debugging, then we need to go to install unknown apps, open it, and turn that option on for the loader. So what it does, it's going to allow us to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only from official Amazon App Store. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So now let's go back to the list of applications on your device. Here it is, let's open it, and there's the downloader, which we just got to your Fire Stick. However, before actually using the downloader, there's one more thing which I really recommend doing. It's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're fast, got a great application for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may have or own, and you only need one account to cover all of your devices at the same time, which is amazing. In the VPN app, you just connect to any server, let's say we'll connect to Germany for our video today, and after you connect, all your traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means nobody can track you or snoop on you online. And that's extremely important if you wish to stay safe and private online, especially when using adult applications like we're going to today. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you'd like to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in the pinned comment below the video, you'll get 4 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. So go get those 4 months for free and then use the loader safely. Now we can finally go and open the downloader application, so let's open the loader. Here on the left side menu, make sure to click on Home, that's important, and then here a search bar will appear, which we'll use to enter a code, which is going to be 28907. So once again, the code is 28907, and then you have to press on Go. Now in a couple of seconds, a website is going to open for you. When the website opens, all you have to do actually is just scroll down a little bit, keep scrolling until you see that list of categories, and here from the list you have to select that category with the heart icon. You can see it on the screen. So let's click on that heart icon, and then a huge list of applications is going to open for you, and here's the one which we actually need today. I will not pronounce the name of the app because YouTube may not like it, but you can see the app name on the screen, so just click on the same application as I do. Then it's possible that an ad is going to open for you. In that case, just click on close and do not click on open, because if you click on open, it's going to mess everything up for you. So just click on close right here. Then a new web page is going to open for you, which you also have to scroll down. And you gotta keep scrolling until you see that download button. We have to use that version for Fire TVs or Android TVs. Or alternatively, if you have an Android phone, you can use the mobile version. That's for phones only. So if that button for some reason does not work for you, you can always use the backup download link, which is right below the usual download button. Now we just click on download right here, and the app is going to be downloaded in a couple of moments. to our device. We click install here, and then after the app has been installed, do not click on open yet, instead press on done, because here we'll have an option to delete the installation file, as we do not need it anymore. So we click on delete and then delete once again. Now we can finally go to the list of apps on your device. Here it is, let's open it. And at the bottom you'll find this new adult application which we just installed to your Firestick. I had to blur out the logo of the app because YouTube does not like it, but of course in your case it's not going to be blurry. And don't forget to use a VPN to stay safe and private online. Once again, a link to get 4 months of NordVPN for free is going to be in a pinned comment below the video. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.